Hello there. I'm Scotty, and you're not. And why is it? Hello? Okay, it was like. What? Hold on, what did he say? Feels like there's a bit of a mist out here, and it's cold. Okay. Um. So, well, Big T goes to Walmart. Figured I'd do this video. I'm going to try this Nature's Touch maple milk that he gave me. Vitamin D maple flavored milk. I've had a chocolate milk. No, what was it? I've had a root beer milk. I've had like a banana one, orange cream. But this is a bit different for me. So by September 23rd, sold. Jesus. It smells like maple to me. No, I don't know. Like, maple is kind of a weird flavor. You think root beer, creamsicle, orange cream, banana. Obvious flavors, but maple, maple flavored bacon or maple flavored sausage, sure. But like, milk, I'm a little iffy. Yes, my glasses, you can probably see a screen. Back a little bit. Let's, I don't know about that. That's a little weird. I don't know. I don't know, that's a bit weird for me. It's not bad. Admittedly, the maple is not as strong as I thought it would be, but I don't know. It's just weird. Just weird. Just weird. Just weird. Just weird. Just weird. They said there's a lot of sugar in it. Calories 440. Good God. Sugar. 55 grams of sugar. Yeah. It's not bad. I think I'll give it a C. That's something I'd go out of my way to get again. But it's not bad. Like I said, maple is not really a flavor I think of. You know, if you're gonna flavor a milk maple, meh. You know, but it's not terrible. So yeah, I got one more food item to try. I don't know, sometime this weekend maybe. Who knows? But thanks for watching. I've been Scotty, and I'll see you in the next one.